Hi, my name is Letra. Welcome to my channel. And as the title suggests, we're going to talk about a shortcut method to sanitize your hands when you can't find hand sanitizer. Because if you're looking at this channel and the real time which is being recorded, we have a pandemic going around, not just the United States where I live, but the world. And we're always told what we need to do, but I have something for you that you can make it a shortcut and make it easier for you if you can't find the hand sanitizer. Hi, this is Letra TV, and what I want to show you today is something that you can use to help you to sanitize your hands. You hearing everything out there. First of all, wash your hands. And when you wash your hands, wash them up under the nails. But in cases where you don't have hand sanitizer, they're saying things like, oh, you can use alcohol, like, the drinking alcohol, Tito's alcohol, they were saying. But, that does not have the alcohol content in it that you need. They're saying other things that you can use. It really does not add up. But what you need to use, anything that's alcohol based, that at least the CDC is saying 60% at a minimum in order to sanitize the germs on your hands. And I was looking in the stores, like most of us are, trying to find some hand sanitizer, and they ran out. I personally don't care to always just use hand sanitizer because once you put it on, you wave your hands in the air because you're waiting for it to dry. So something I've always been using anyway, and it's something probably you have in your, yes, good old rubbing alcohol. They say you have to use at least 60% proof, but I have the 91% proof. This is something what we all probably have in our medicine cabinets, and we don't think about it because we use other things nowadays to disinfect cuts and wounds and things like that besides rubbing alcohol. But I'm telling you, this is the go-to. You can find this in the stores pretty cheap. And the thing about it is, even like this big bottle, it will last you a while because it doesn't take much to put it all in your hands, to get it all nice and sanitized, and you move on to the next. But if you don't like the consistency or just the rubbing alcohol, because it will have a drying effect on your hands, which you would need to put normally lotion on behind it, you can put aloe vera in it, and then that would give it the gel consistency that it needs and also soften your hands. But this is something as a good go-to to use in these times, and try it. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments box below. Hit me with a like, subscribe to my channel, and please stay safe out there. And hopefully, your family is not affected by the virus, but people, please wash your hands. This should be nothing new that we're telling people. And ladies and gentlemen, make sure you clean up under your nails, because this is something that most people don't think to use or to do, but you should. Make sure that you are cleaning under your nails. Until next time, you take care.